Read about Mamun's home district.
My home district is Kishoreganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 108 unions and 1,745 villages. The name Kishoreganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brojokishore Pramanik or Nandakishore Pramanik. The area of Kishoreganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. The river Narasundar flows through the town.